John, I'm here on Wetmore Road where they saw a ton of rain yesterday, almost 1.5 inches. And now some businesses are still dealing with standing water. I talked to one of the technicians at this body shop about how they've been dealing with all of this flooding.
Everything comes to a stop.
After about 10 minutes of it, we knew that it was going to come down, and we were on it. We started the pumps up, but it came in so quick that there was nothing we could do.
This is not an unusual sight for Jeff. Every time heavy rain moves in, he needs to stop repairing cars and get to clearing out the water before any damage happens.
If it comes like it came yesterday, there's nothing you can do but shut operations down and just pray that it clears up quick and we can pump it all out.
This morning, the workers were still cleaning up the muddy mess. Pima County Flood Control says they are aware of the problem in this part of town and have plans to address some problem areas in the future.
Poor drainage through that area, and it's exacerbated by the elevated railroad and I-10. It prevents water from continuing on west to the Santa Cruz River.
The location makes it extremely difficult to completely end the flooding, and ultimately Jones says it's way too expensive.
So unless we were to buy out a whole bunch of properties, there's really not a way that we could efficiently or cost effectively completely eliminate flood hazards for that area.
Brian Jones says that having flood insurances for businesses like these is key. Another thing he said, that if people are having problems with flooding like this, to go ahead and give them a call over at Pima County Flood Control. We've got you covered from the west side. Daniel McFarland, News 4 Tucson.